got for Christmas. So, okay guys, this is the Legos I got for Christmas. I thought it would be fun to play. So me and Jess are going to play with them. My dad built them, and it was pretty long, guys. Did you see how fast, like how cool that was to see my dad like build this whole entire thing? Like, I mean, this car thing and this tree thing is pretty sick. I mean, give a big thumbs up for that, especially that. I mean, you guys, it can turn, you can move these tree things up and down. Harry Potter can hang from it. I mean, it isn't that easy to get them on though. But this whole entire castle, I mean, come on guys. This has to be pretty cool. My favorite thing is Snape's. He's your favorite guy? Yeah. He's pretty cool. Mm-hmm. Where's your favorite part in this castle? I really like the car. It's cool. It flies and it drives. Yeah, nice. And in the movie you can see it in the Harry Potter 2. And it like they like get stuck in the tree, and it like this guy in there, like he can't fly it because it's his dad's, and then he like ruins the dad's car, and then he like there's like packages, and it like just flies them out, and then the car like opens the doors by itself, just like flies Harry Potter and this guy out. It's just so funny. All right, come on. Harry Potter! There you are, Harry Potter. I was wanting to talk to you. Can you help me cast a spell, or do you want to come in? Do you want to come and see me cast a spell? I'd love to come and see you cast a spell, Hermione. Okay. Sassity, poof! What are you doing out here? Oh, you scared us. What are you doing trying to startle us? Wait, what is that page? What page? About Harry Potter that has Harry Potter on it. Are you up to something? No, I'm not. It seems like you are. Let me Flawless! You can't cast a spell on me. I can cast a spell on me back. Spelliarmus! Whoa! What spell is this? I have no idea. Hi guys, this was so fun. I can't believe I got this for Christmas. It was so fun. I hope you enjoyed this watching our channel. And Stetson, I'm glad you got this for Christmas. You guys, I hope you liked seeing my dad and us play with this and my dad build it. Try signing off in an English accent. This is Jessa. I'm John. Signing off, but not for long.